Hello and welcome to Minukuu tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download your paperless US withholding tax documents in just a few minutes. Now, somewhere in December 2021, YouTube sent us this particular notice that it was actually an email sent. I received this particular email on the 13th of December 2021, instructing all content creators to sign up for paperless US withholding tax documents. So I actually made a video on how to sign up for paperless tax documents, but if you are a new subscriber or if you haven't had the opportunity to watch my video on how to sign up for paperless tax documents, please check right below in the description box and you find a link to that particular video. Okay, now the purpose of today's tutorial is to show you, like I said, how to now download your tax documents. And because as promised by YouTube in this particular email, they said what? Starting from January 2022, you'd always be notified each time your US tax documents are available in your AdSense account. So January 2022 went by, and somewhere, was it the 10th, I received this particular email. Sorry, I said an email. Somewhere around the 10th, after my YouTube earnings reflected in my AdSense account, I logged into AdSense to check my balance and realized that the notification was available, instructing me to download my paperless tax documents. So I'm going to show you how you can quickly download your paperless tax documents. If you are just green about the whole thing, what is it about paperless tax documents? As a content creator, if you remember, we were asked to always submit, to fill the tax form, okay, US tax forms, so as to benefit from tax treaties, provided the countries in which we live have tax treaties with the United States. And we did that. Okay, now after you have submitted your tax information, AdSense was supposed to always mail your tax information to your residential address or whichever address that you've provided, but instead they advised us to sign up for paperless tax documents. That was towards the end of 2021, which we did. Or if you haven't yet done that, like I said, look right below in the description box of this particular video and you find a link to the video I made on how to sign up for paperless tax documents. So today, let's just head on to downloading these documents each and every time they are available. So like YouTube promised, anytime they're available, you always be notified. When you log into your AdSense account, you see the notification. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, currently, as you can see, I'm logged into my AdSense account, and if I should come and click on, let's say, payments, okay, should I click on payments, you'll see right here that the notification is there, okay, telling me that you have a new tax document available for download. Now you could just click on take me there to download your tax document, or if you don't want that, sometimes you might have not noticed this, or you might have closed this particular notice, and should you log in to AdSense the second time, you might not see this notice again. Now, in case you don't have this notice and you want to still download your tax document, let me show you how to do that. Simply log into your AdSense account, come and click on payments. Now when you click on payments, simply scroll down and come and click on manage settings. Okay, when you click on manage payment settings, manage settings over here, it opens your AdSense payment settings, and over here you simply scroll down and you will find United States tax info. So come and click on United States tax info. Then when you click on that, it brings us over here, and you simply click on manage tax info, and you're gonna scroll down again and you will find this particular you see it right here. This is the document right below here. Let me show you how you can download it. Okay, so over here is very simple. You simply come and click on the document. For me, it is this particular 1042s-s. You simply, this is the document right here, so simply come and click on it to download. When you click on it to download, it will ask you for your AdSense password. So simply enter your password. And after entering your password, you hit on next. And this is your document. This is your tax document. Thank you so much for watching, and this is how you download your paperless US withholding tax documents. Please subscribe.